Okay, it's looking pretty good here. Still not out of range though. It could still easily pop back up. But the entry so far is holding well. 10-minute is looking good. Let's see how much it wants to come down here. Going for 50 ticks. I got it down to 48.24. Okay, we are now out of the range. We're looking good here. Mathematically, we're looking very good. Now it's just a matter of letting it go and letting it come hit the exit. So I'm going for 50 ticks. I may go for more. Let me see where that takes me down the chart. 24. If I go for another 10, that puts me at 14. I probably could get that 14, but let me take a look at it. Let me continue to look at it. Okay, we're red on the daily now. We're now red on the daily. It's probably going to continue to come down. Okay guys, I'm going to keep the math high here and go for 50 ticks. For those of you that want to go for even more, this is a trade that you can do that on. It's pretty good math that it will go down even more. It should probably go down to right around 48, maybe even lower. I've got my exit at 48.24. I'm going to keep the math high at 50 ticks. That's pretty high mathematics. Okay, it's almost there. Pretty high mathematics, but for those of you who want to gamble a little bit, try to make some more, this would be a trade to go for it on. Okay, I am out for 50 ticks. This would be a trade that you could go for it on. And there it goes, it's going. That's almost 60 ticks right there, it just hit. Oh, what's the lowest it could possibly hit? Well, I can't tell you that. Right now it looks very, very good though. I would say this thing's gonna go down pretty darn good here. Yeah, it's really moving. I would say, I would take a guess here and say 46.60. 46.60, possibly 46.40. Something like that. Good, good, good. I'm glad you stayed in. You know, I wanted to talk to you guys for a minute about this. You know, some of you are getting out early, and I understand that because you're afraid. You know, you've been trading on your own. You've been losing. Trading's not easy, you know, and it makes you gun shy. And yeah, I see. This is what I want to talk to you about, Jack. You really need to hit your exits. You got to hit them. Why? Why do you need to hit them? Because we will take losing trades. The losing trades will eat your profit up if you don't hit the winning trades. You got to hit them. So you see, you in order to be successful at this, you must hit those winning trades. It's just a mathematical reality. If you don't hit them, you're not going to be able to pay for your losses. You won't come out ahead like you really need to come out ahead. You just be spinning your wheels, so to speak. And you don't want to do that. You want to be able to hit those trades, make the money. Yes, you get losing trades, you go back a little bit, but then you hit that winning trade again, boom, you're in the money, you know, and then you hit another winning trade, boom, you're in the money. You know, if you just keep getting out early because you're scared, every losing trade takes you right back again, you know. So I understand that, you know, how it feels to trade, because I'm a trader too. But you must hit those exits. Just, I know you have to force yourself. Just say, you know, just trust me that I know what I'm doing, and just follow me, and your record will be like my record. And some of you are even doing better than me. You're going, you know, because you have some trading experience and everything, and you're doing better. You know, you're saying, okay, I'm going to go for it right here, and boom, you make more. Like somebody just said they made 60. You know, and you just take that risk and you get it, you know, so. Anyway, guys, easy day. I'm going to call it a day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So I will see all of you then, and hopefully we'll end up with 2 more perfect trades for this week. Should be a piece of cake. I'm glad you guys are enjoying the room, making money, and I'm here to continue to help you to do that using the codes and my experience at trading. Anyway, I'm going to get going, guys. You take care out there. Have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow, bright and early for you guys out there in the States. Okay, everyone. See you tomorrow. Take care. Happy trading. Okay, YouTube, I am done with the trading for today. I didn't take a trade on Monday. I generally don't trade because I don't know what the codes are yet for the week. So Monday, you basically never see me trade. Tuesday, I passed up on the trade because I didn't think it looked good, but I should have taken it. It would have worked. You know, it was my fault. I didn't take it. Today, I took the trade. I took the Newsday entry. It worked perfectly. And I hit a 50 tick exit. Could have hit more. I could have hit a 60 tick exit. Let's see. Actually, I could have hit more than that. See, I got out at 24 for 50 ticks. I could have got out at 14 for 60 ticks. I could have got at 04 for 70 ticks. I could have got out at 94 for 80 ticks. I could have made 80 ticks on the trade. I only made 50. You know, but I was keeping the math high by going for 50 ticks. So, anyway, this is trading, and we're doing good inside the trading room. And if you need help in your trading, feel free to come on in. Come in. Hopefully you can start off with 2 contracts or more, and you'll be able to do well for yourself. All you gotta do is just follow my trades. Okay, I'm gonna go, YouTube. Happy trading out there, everyone. And I hope you're being inspired by the codes and by my trading room. I will see all of you tomorrow on YouTube and in my trading room if you are a subscriber. Happy trading out there.